Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize captions and subtitles in HBO Max. To do this, you will need to click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen, go to your settings and then scroll down. Here you should find captions and subtitles, click on manage preferences. You'll be able to adjust the font. Here's a little preview, font color, font size, style, and opacity. There's also background for the text that can be set. You can go with 0, that way there'll be only text, and etc. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.